Hello guys, welcome to my channel. If you have ever wondered how professional tailors finish clothes so quickly while you spend hours on a single dress, then this video is for you. Today, I'll be showing you and sharing proven techniques and habits that can help you sew faster without losing quality. So stick with me to the end because I will also share a bonus tip that changed my sewing speed forever. Fast sewing doesn't start at the machine, it starts with the preparation. First of all, always iron your fabrics before cutting. This saves you from surprises like shrieking later. Secondly, cut in bulk if possible. If you have three similar dresses, cut all at once. That way, you only set up once instead of repeating. Thirdly, arrange your workspace. Keep scissors, pins, chalk, and measuring tape within arm's reach. A cluttered table adds minutes to your every step. If you don't know your machine well, you will waste time on troubleshooting. Spend time learning your machine settings. Adjust your thread tension properly before starting. Use the right needle for the fabric. Wrong needles cause skipped stitches and you will spend time fixing that mistake. And finally, learn to use shortcuts. Backstitch button for securing seams or the automatic thread cutter if your machine has one. Learn to guide fabric with both hands, not just one. This keeps it straight and reduces mistakes. Use fabric clips instead of pins when possible. Clips are faster to attach and remove. Practice using the foot pedal smoothly. Some people sew slow because they keep pressing and releasing. Train your foot to maintain even pressure. Iron as you go. Don't wait until the garment is finished. A quick press after each seam makes final pressing faster. Cut all threads at once. Iron all pieces at once. Finish all ends together. And don't forget posture. Sitting comfortably with good lighting keeps you sewing longer without breaks. Common mistakes that slows you down when you are sewing. Spending too long choosing fabric or thread colors. Overpinning every seam. Not changing blunt needles and scissors. Getting distracted by phone or social media. Here is the bonus that I promise. Practice speed sewing drills. Take scraps of fabric and sew straight lines quickly. Don't worry about perfection, just build muscle memory. The more you practice fast, the more natural it becomes. So that's it. If you apply these tips, preparing well, mastering your machine, batch sewing, and practicing speed, you will notice that your sewing time has reduced by half. Now, I would love to hear from you. Which of these tips will you start using today? Comment below. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to this channel for more tailoring hacks and tips and share with someone learning to sew.